Good afternoon everyone. Today our project is representing about a famous personality, a stock trader and investor, a billionaire business magnate Rakesh Jhunjhunwala.
A brief information on Rakesh Jhunjhunwala is he was born on 5th July 1960. He was born and brought up in a Rajasthani family who resides in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Um, he is an investor and trader by profession. He generates income from investments and he is a citizen of India. He has completed his graduation from Sydenham College, and his qualification is a chartered accountant. His portfolio that is a Rare Enterprise. It is an asset management firm. His net worth is rupees of $6.10 billion as of March 2022. He is a Forbes has mentioned him as the 48th richest man in India. He earns 861 crores per day. His early investments. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala started his investments from his college. Then after he completed his education, he jumped into investment market. He started his career in 1965 with a capital of rupees 5,000 when BSE Sensex was at 150. His first big profit was of rupees 0.5 million in 1986 when he sold 5,000 shares of Tata Tea at a price of 143, which was earlier at rupees 43. Between 1986 and 1989, he earned 20 to 25 lakhs. His first major successful was in iron mining company, that is Sesa Goa.
Nowadays it is known as a Vedanta Limited.
He bought 4 lakh shares of Sesa Goa in forward trading worth rupees 1 crore and sold about 2 to 2.5 lakh shares at rupees 60 to 65 lakh and another 1 lakh at rupees 150 to 175. The price rose to rupees 2200 and he sold some shares. His biggest investments in Titan company. In 2002 and 2003, he purchased a 6 crore share of Titan company. At that time, Titan company's share was of rupees 3. That the price of a share rose to rupees 390. Because of this, his income increased by 2100 crore. He is popularly referred to as the Big Bull of India and King of Bull Market. And is widely known for his stock market prediction and bullish outlooks. India Today magazine has called him as pin-up boy of current ball run. The Economic Times has referred him as a piper of Indian bourses. Many Indians referred him as India's Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett is an American investor. Rare Enterprise was founded in 2003. It is a private equity investment and asset management firm based in India, Mumbai, India. The firm seeks to invest in companies operating in the education, biotechnology, digital environment, healthcare, delivery and hospitality services.
Different role, chairman and board of directors. So Rakesh Jhunjhunwala plays a different role in many companies. APEC Limited as a chairman, Hungama Digital Media Entertainment Private Limited as a chairman, Prime Focus Limited Board of Director, Geojit BNP Paribas Financial Services Limited BOD, Bilcare Limited BOD, Praj Industries Limited BOD, Provoke India Limited as a board of directors. Concord Biotech Limited as a board of directors, Innovation Technological Limited as a board of directors, Midway Multimedia Limited BOD, Nagarjun Construction Company Limited BOD, Viceroy Hotels Limited as a BOD, and Top Security Limited as a BOD. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala and Associates and net worth history. So Rakesh Jhunjhunwala and his net worth, as you can see in this graph, it is increased up to December 2021 from 3.8%, and in July 2022 it is decreased up to -2.0%. Akasa Air. What is Akasa? Akasa is a ultra low cost carrier, or LUCC, ULCC, launched by the stock market investor Mr. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala with 40% stake in the airline company. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala has reportedly planned to launch the airline by July 2022. CEO of Akasa Air is Vinay Dubey, and ex-Indigo president Aditya Ghosh to be on board as Jhunjhunwala's nominee. The Mumbai-based investor invested $35 million and is planning to have a field of 70 planes over the next 4 years. The airline is granted with no objection certificate from the Ministry of the Civilization. Dubai is having 15% stake in the Akasa Air. Akasa Air recently received its code from DGCA and will be called QP. Thoughts of Rakesh Jhunjhunwala: invest in the companies which have strong management and have competitive advantage. So Rakesh Jhunjhunwala believes in વધારે માં લેવાનું અને ઘટાડે વેચવાનું. Now if you see an opportunity, grab it today.